and balance. This is worth money to see, I'd say.
Now, what is going on in there? Hey, an adventure! Wow!
Goodbye, adventure. Hello, movie.
Let's Dr. Kraft is ruining the truest adventure that ever lived.
Hey, thanks, kid. If it wasn't for you, this place would be empty.
Is this what you're looking
I
at?
knew you'd come back to adventure. I just knew it. Captain? Are you okay? Lady Bobcat.
Oh, hi, Bobcat.
Are you playing? Look.
Well,
Is he making noises?
Do that balance thing you do, like you do in the Pixie Show.
Say hi.
well,
Say hi. Mwah.
as long as you're out of that movie.
No, no, no.
Hey, Flap, you don't think you could get old Knuckles into one of those picture shows, do you?
Well. Okay. But you have to stay out of that theater from now on.
Done.
And
And,
you have to promise to take me on an adventure.
okay, I promise. You really think you can get me in, Flap? Good, sir. With my help, you're going to be a star.
You promised when we were done we'd go on an adventure.
We will. Just hang on.
You said you weren't going to theater anymore.
Well, I'm not in it, am I?
But
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you to the world premiere of the best film of all time.
Alright, say it's lunchtime. Say bye. Oh, bye. You knocked him over. Well, I guess the toy is dead. Poor guy.